In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Word documents in Google Drive. This is especially helpful if you're transitioning from Microsoft Word to Google's suite of tools, or if you simply need to access your documents across different devices with ease. Now let's get started with this simple, step-by-step guide. First things first, you'll need to head over to your Google Drive. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Google Drive, or simply entering drive.google.com in the address bar. Once you're there, you'll be prompted to sign in. Use your Google account credentials to log in, and you'll be taken directly to your Google Drive homepage. With Google Drive open, let's proceed by clicking the New button. This button is usually located on the left side of the interface and is characterized by a colorful plus sign. Clicking this button will open a menu presenting you with several options for adding new items to your drive. The next step is to select File Upload from the drop-down menu. This option enables you to upload files from your computer directly to Google Drive. Once you click on File Upload, a File Explorer window will pop up, allowing you to browse through the files stored on your computer. Now, it's time to locate the Word document you wish to upload. Navigate through your file directories until you find the specific .docx file you're looking to open in Google Drive. Once you've located it, select the file by clicking on it, and then hit the Open button in your File Explorer window. This action will initiate the upload process, and you'll observe a progress bar at the bottom right corner of your screen showing the upload status. Finally, after the file has been successfully uploaded to Drive, you can open your Word document. Simply double-click on the newly uploaded file within Google Drive. This action will open the document in Google Docs, allowing you to view and edit your Word document directly in the Google interface. And there you have it, folks. You have now successfully learned how to open Word documents in Google Drive. This process not only gives you easy access to your documents, but also allows you to leverage the collaborative and sharing features that Google Drive provides. Try it out yourself and make your document management seamless and efficient. Thank you for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.